Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. So we start by opening any browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link and you will be directed to the Visual Studio Code official page. Click on download for Windows Stable Boot and your download will be started. I have already downloaded it. So here after downloading, open the setup file. I accept, next, and keep it default. If you don't want a start menu folder, click it. I don't want it, and you may leave it as it is. And if you want a shortcut icon on the desktop, you can check this option. Next, and install, and that's it. Your Visual Studio Code is being installed on your system. The installation time takes depending on the system you're using. I have done it, and let's launch it. So I already have some files open. So this is how you install a Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Roshan Abhishek YouTube channel.